man, it's always these guys in the industry that have been doing it for 30 plus years that always got crap to say. All right, this guy says, no, they don't. I have welding caps older than everybody on these videos. Awesome. Another guy just showing how cool he is, I guess. They're telling you certs matter, so you'll come to their school. All right, let's go over what this means. Again, these videos are fun to do because I guess a lot of people don't understand how it actually works nowadays to get on jobs. But please, if you have anything contrary, just go ahead and put it, in the comment section, and I'll do a video on it. For the record, if you are 5+ years deep in the industry, you probably don't need certifications to get on a job. Like myself, I can call companies, contractors, foremen, superintendents, and get on a job. If you have welding caps older than me and everybody in our videos, you probably don't need certifications to get on a job. So congrats. You don't need to get certifications to get on a job. That's cool. Now, let's say you are not doing good in life and you want to change your life and make good money welding, traveling and welding, and setting up your whole life like I have. Welding has changed my life. It allowed me to travel the country, get paid really good money to do it, and also take my dirt bike with me. So welding can literally change your life if you come from a bad household, you have a bad past, and you're wanting to literally change your life. Now I'm gonna explain why certifications help somebody with no experience, nobody in the industry they can contact, and how you use them to get on jobs. So here at KWI, we train you to run cranes. We train you on how to signal cranes. We train you with welding. We get you AWS certifications. We get you NCCER training. We train you how to boiler make. We train you how to fit pipe, okay? So with the training, there's certifications that you get if you complete the training successfully. So all the training we get here, you can check it on our website. It's to help welders be more than just a freaking prima donna welder like 80% of the welders in the industry. So with this training that you get here at KWI, you're gonna get cards with it. It's gonna be certifications, okay? Now, these certifications are gonna prove that you can do something. They're gonna prove that you know how to take a weld test, you know how to weld a certain metal or material. These certifications aren't saying that you're gonna come out the gate making 42 bucks an hour. These certifications aren't saying you're the best, but these certifications are to help you to get on jobs if you have no experience in the industry, you're trying to change your life, and you don't have a way in the industry. These certifications and training can prove to a company or a contractor that you can do something. Therefore, they will call you. And that's how it worked for me. I didn't have a dad in the industry that I could just jump on a job with. I didn't have any friends. I didn't have any networking connections. I didn't have anybody in the welding industry that could get me on a job. My first job after graduating the Kentucky Welding Institute was off of Indeed. I applied to jobs because I didn't have anybody in the welding industry that I could get me on. So I applied to an offshore oil rig job on Indeed. That got me on the job. And then from there, I networked with people on the job. And slowly, the last 5 years, I've created a network of people that I can call and get on jobs, okay? But I needed those certifications right out the gate to get my foot in the door. So that's how I did it. I went to KWI. I got as much welding training as I could, as well as other industry certifications, welding alloys, metals, and materials. In the last 5-6 years, I have been out welding, traveling the country, making really good money, and now I can pick up my phone and go on any job that I want. So again, this advice doesn't apply to you if you have welding caps older than everybody here at KWI. This applies to somebody who doesn't have a single way into the industry or experience. So come train with us. We'll teach you how to weld different metals and materials and get you AWS certifications according to the certs that you earn and learn. Also, other industry training as well. And this is gonna help you get on jobs. They're not gonna be the top dollar, high paying jobs in the industry. Like my first job, it was off of Indeed. I was making 27 bucks an hour, okay? But you stair step and you network and you work up to the higher paying jobs. You meet people on these lower paying jobs that can get you on the higher paying jobs. So now the companies that I work for are double time companies. So you just work your way up, okay? So again, I don't know how these individuals expect someone with no experience or help to get in the industry at all to get on jobs, but that's what we do for people every day here at Kentucky Welding Institute. So hopefully this helps some of you guys understand that we're not smoke and mirrors. We're actually training individuals to be the best that they can be, starting out with nothing. So if you want to change your life, get a hold of us. My name's Keegan, trying to help people change their lives in the welding industry. And also, for the record, if you're going to a welding school to learn how to weld, wouldn't you want certifications with that? So if you're going somewhere and you're not getting actual AWS certifications or any other training, what's the point of going there?